kwata mwe kibatu wano. Nengeri janyiga akantu wano. CMP! United we stand! CMP! United we stand, the Common Man's Party! Secretary General akwata kwe kiyongula nga kiri maaso ge. Omulundi gumu soke tutemo tukwatemo omulundi gumu fenne engalo zaffe zikwate ku lusaniya 1 2 3 tukwateko CMP the Common Man's Party United we stand. Hello, welcome to the new home. Bademo bakwatemo Daily Monitor asabye 1 2 3 tukwateko the Common Man's Party. We are so glad to be with you, General Mutasa Kafero. Your efforts in the struggle cannot just be.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we speak now, I want to give you, Mr. Chairman, Electoral Commission, allow me to press this one on record. Mr. Chairman, the tormentor of the common man, the NRM, is at its weakest, Mr. Chairman. However, Mr. Chairman, what is unfortunate, we the forces of change are in a very dangerous situation, ladies and gentlemen. I told you, as we speak now, the opposition is in a state of political phantasmagoria. Mr. Chairman, a few weeks back, I told you, I conducted a complete blood count of the opposition in Uganda, a CBC, complete blood count. I and General Bigirwa, my brother, we also conducted an MRI of the opposition, Mr. Chairman. It is totally under a state of political phantasmagoria. Today we are here to rejuvenate the opposition. And I want to call upon my brothers in the opposition. The Common Man's Party is not here to fight anybody. We are here to augment the struggle that started a long time ago. We are not here to fight anybody in the opposition. If at all, no, none of us in the opposition has even the smallest iota of power in this country. We are trying to liberate this country from its captors. The captors of this country are the NRA, led by General Museveni. So, please, keep the eyes on the ball. Mr. Chairman, I want to report to you, the Chairman Electoral Commission, when rumors started circulating that we are coming up with this big juggernaut. I thought, I know, you are my former English teacher. What is a juggernaut? Mr. Namara used to give me 0.5 out of 100. 0.5, 0.6. A juggernaut is, I don't know, but my brother Freddy Marokweza, may you kindly stand up for recognition. Fred Marokweza is from the UK. Mama, may you also stand up. Madam Marokweza Fred. He is a son of our old Mzei Tofero Marokweza, the former cargo of Chadondo. He traveled all the way from Europe to come and attend this function, Mr. Secretary General. May you kindly take your seat. When rumors started circulating that this political juggernaut is coming on stage, people ran berserk, started blackmailing us. You see, Mr. Chairman, you allow me to mix in some vernacular a bit, because time is not on our side and I'm told the senior is ready. Mbada annyonnyola chairman nti olugambo lwe lwatandise okutambula nti ekimotoka kino kirukululana kye bayita Common Man's Party kizze abantu batandise kuvuma Munyagwa ate nga bavuma baffe opposition kakati for sure nga mupapye mangu olaba nze Munyagwa nkaabira mubikire naye onankutukidde mu ngalo mupapye mangu nga bye tugenda okukola bingi buli wiiki guno si mukolo twayise bantu kulayiramu ennaku ntono okuva kati abamu mujja kulwala emitima kyenandisabye abantu obutafa pressure obutabaki obutalabika mitima mukkirize nti Munyagwa ne Common Man's Party webali kati I wonder abantu abangamba nti inexperienced. What are you trying to say? I joined this struggle in 2000 nga ndi Makerere mwaka ogusooka mbadde mu opposition ne banzanyisa buli ku stage nga banzanyisa buli siini nga baga leero zanyanga omusezi leero zanyanga bino. That's why some of you mwali mutulaba program gyaita zunguru nga temulowooza ntwasoma n'okusoma. I'm a lawyer from Makerere. My dear colleagues, my OBs, the lawyers kind of stand up for recognition. Thank you, my colleagues. You see, we went to school, but we decided to sacrifice. Yokwogera tutandika butandisi kubanga leero tukubye manduso. Naye emundu egenda kuseka. Emundu egenda kola ki? Ebusoga twasalawo dda twetaaga ekibiina kye tulinamu eddoboozi. Mu Eastern twasalawo dda okwesonyiwa ebibiina ebirala byonna bye tutalinaamu ddoboozi kubanga eyo region ebadde marginalized for a long time. Secretary General yakoma okubeera mu Eastern bali bamuyita Luuliza Kirunda myaka gya 6 yiri eri. Substantive Secretary azemu okulabika ye General Bigirwa Moses after almost 70 years. N'olw'ensonga eyo tugenze kuba mundu. So Mr. President sibabuguwa bunywere nze Secretary General omanyi bulungi nnyo ndi musajja muyiribi tugenda kuyiriba na buli muyaye yena anagezaako okutwenganga okuva ku General Museveni paka kwasembayo wansi tujja kutoba nammwe wallahi ya Mungu. Kantwala omukisa guno okuyita omukuba senior comrade Deputy President from Western Uganda ajate atuwemu ekirungo ekirala ekyolulimi Council Tugume. The following, we are different because of the following. We a platform to serve. We a platform of service. You know, olusaniya lwe mulaba. Buli muntu aliirako kino kyekitwawula ku balala. Bukyanga Uganda ebeerawo bassebo ne bannyabo. This is the most meaningful political symbol. Tebeerangawo mu byobufuzi bya Uganda. Tebakulimba. Ani atalwanirira lusowaani luno? Kabeje no yoli Kaguta Museveni gwe mulaba ng'omukufu. Era ekimulemeza mu power kufuga lusaniya luno. Okubanga yalyako yekka. Banafu abaddewo mu kisaayi ky'ebyobufuzi. Nabo lusaniya baalufunza. Empiki bagireka wano bwe bati. Waliwo banafu abali eyo tebamanyi oba banaaba wa flaga, tebamanyi oba kyekinaddako lusaniya. N'olw'ensonga eyo, this is the most meaningful